Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. Here you can see this is Samsung LCD TV. In this we are getting problem like black and white picture. The black and white picture in the sense when you are pressing the source button, input button, it is directly going to component. That AV option we are not getting. In setting also you can see in the input section only three option we are getting: TV, component and PC. That AV option we will not getting. So this is our problem. This type of problem mostly we will get in Samsung TVs. This is Samsung LCD TV. Here you can see this is the power supply. Then this is our motherboard. In this motherboard here you can see this is the video. Then these both are component and the other two are audio section. Friends, today in this video we will see how to solve this type of problem in our LCD TVs. Not on LCD, any kind of LED TV also you will get problem like this. Friends, in this AV pin, in the first step you have to check if any rust or fungus is there, means you have to clean this AV pin. Then once you check whether our problem is fixed or not, if it is not fixed, you have to open this motherboard by removing 4 screw. After that you have to check whether this AV pin, whether a dry soldering is there or not. You have to resolder every pins again. Then you have to check. Friends, I already dry soldered. Then I checked also, but our problem is not solved in the both method also. I cleaned the pin, then I dry soldered this, but my problem is not fixed. Then the final solution is this second pin is there, right? This one. First one is the video pin. In the second pin, that is related to component pin. In that only you are getting black and white picture. So you have to short that two pin using a wire. Now I am going to show you how to do that. Wait a minute. Like this, one small wire you take. Friends, now I am going to solder this wire. Friends, see carefully how I am doing this process. Friends, after connecting this, you have to cut that extra wire using your blade. Friends, you can see it clearly. This is the component pin. This first one is the video pin. For that second pin you have to short. Then connect every slots AV. Then the sensor connection you have to connect. Then put one or two screw, because we have to check, right? After checking we can insert all these screws. For checking purpose we have to connect one or two screws. Friends, first one is the video, then the second one is that last one I connected audio. Only two wire we are using. Friends, now it's time to check our result whether this TV is got corrected or we are getting same problem or not. Friends, here you can see now it is in component only. Now I am going to change the option. Yes friends, here you can see now finally we got AV option. Now I am going to check in menu option also. Friends, here you can see now AV option is enabled. Now component option is disabled. By doing this process you can fix this type of problem in our LED TV. So this is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.